Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today we're diving into the how to fix TikTok following not showing problem and showing you some simple steps to resolve it. Now let's get started. Open your device's settings to access system controls, which allow you to manage apps and permissions. Scroll down and tap on the Apps section, then tap on Manage Apps to view a list of installed apps on your device. Type TikTok into the search bar, then select the TikTok app from the list to open its settings. Tap on Storage within the TikTok app settings to manage app data and cache storage. Tap on Clear Cache to remove stored cache data that might be causing the problem. After clearing the cache, check if the TikTok following issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, restart your phone by powering it off, waiting a few seconds, and turning it back on. Alternatively, turn your Wi-Fi off and back on, or toggle Bluetooth or airplane mode to refresh your network connection. If the issue still exists, tap on Clear Data within the TikTok app settings, but be cautious as this will delete all data including files, settings, and accounts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps.